THORWallet Card Honest Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. THORWallet Card is a crypto-focused debit card, but most people get this wrong. They think hidden fees make it expensive. The surprising truth is that THORWallet has clear pricing and competitive rates for crypto users. Issuance fees are typically around €2, with a small monthly maintenance fee depending on card tier. You won't believe the perks: spend directly from crypto balances, earn rewards in cryptocurrency, and access global payment networks like Visa or MasterCard. Transactions in the local currency are often free, while atom withdrawals or international conversions carry minor fees of 1–2%. Premium tiers at higher spending limits, insurance, and exclusive rewards. Most people get this wrong by ignoring these optional benefits, which can offset fees through cashback, crypto rewards, and travel perks. In conclusion, THORWallet Card pricing is straightforward and crypto-friendly. By understanding issuance fees, maintenance costs, and reward structures, you go from zero to pro in maximizing both convenience and value for everyday spending.